Okay children, in last video we have completed question number 2. Now read the question number 4. Use Euclid division lemma to show that the squares of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. So you can see here in last question we have the word positive odd integers, and what is the word here? Here is positive integer only. Positive integer can be written in the form of 3m or 3m plus 1. So if we compare 3m and 3m plus 1 from Euclid division lemma, then value of b will be 3. And if value of b is 3, then what will be the value of a? A should greater than 3 and r should smaller than 3. And a value of r ranges from 0 to 2, 0, 1, 2. Now we will see that here Euclid division form will become a is equal to 3q plus r. Now putting value of r in this equation, r is equal to 0. For r is equal to 0, a is equal to 3q. For r is equal to 1, a is equal to 3q plus 1. And for r is equal to 2, a is equal to 3q plus 2. So these are the three cases. So now we will take one by one these cases. A is equal to 3q. Here value of a is equal to 3q. And in question it is given that we have to square them. Means we have to get a square of the positive integer is in the form of 3m plus 1. So here on squaring 3q, we will get 9q square, 9q square, and here in LHS we will get a square. Now split 9 in a multiple of 3, because in the question or here we will get the value of 3. So to get the form 3m, m should be the multiple of 3 and value of m is 3q square. So a square is the square of any positive integer and it can be written as 3m. Now for case 2, a is equal to 3q plus 1. A is equal to 3q plus 1. Case 2 is this. So for 3q plus 1 on a squaring, we will get a square is equal to 3q plus 1 whole square. On solving this 3q plus 1, here we will apply a plus b whole square formula. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, or a square 2ab plus b square. So we will write here as a is 3q. 3q square is equal to 9q square. 2 into 3 into q, 6q, and plus 1 whole square, and plus 1. So final equation we will get final equation as multiple of 3. Now take common from this equation. On taking common from this equation, we will get 3q square plus 2q plus 1, and write 3q square plus 2q as m. Now it will satisfy for case 2. Let us take case 3rd. Now for case third, x is equal to, now take case third where a is equal to 3q plus 2. On squaring both sides, we will get a square is equal to 3q plus 2 whole square. 3q plus 2 whole square, we will apply here a plus b whole square formula. 9q square plus 12q plus 4. Now split 4. Now split 4 as 3 plus 1. We can write 4 as 3 plus 1. Now common from these three terms as 3. Take common 3 from these three terms, 3q square plus 4q plus 1 plus 1. And write all this equation as m and plus 1 as it is, where m is equal to 3q square 4q plus 1. And at the conclusion, write hence the square of any positive integer is of the form 3m and 3m plus 1. Here most of the students done